How to make and create a fundraising Facebook post on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for Facebook. Click on Facebook post option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find the Facebook fundraising post, and here is it. Now click on see all and choose a template, for example this one, and you can edit the text and the photo as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.